point.
Wait, I don't see it! What does he have to drink, please?
He has to drink as much as he can and then it'll go around.
But you know when we drink heaps?
No, we just take sips.
Go. Yeah, pass it around, then you gotta finish it off.
Oh yeah, go past.
Oh, why did you stop for?
Oh, look at the
Dude,
I think he backwashed it.
Oh, sorry.
You gotta be kidding me.
Go Carol.
Sorry.
Oh, so this one's going on there.
What a waste.
I told you. Oh,
As much as you want.
Okay, next. Oh.
No.
You
after me. Well, do you go for long?
Yeah. No.
You're after me.
No.
That was the plan.
Hey. Oh, that's mine.
No, you're last.
Yeah, you are last.
Go.
What's your teeth?
It tastes like one bubble.
Whose turn is it?
Mine, can you hold it for me?
How many 21st off this,
Can you
mate?
hold the bottom? No, hold the bottom.
Oh.
I'm not having
No, you gotta be in the camera.
No boss.
Don't drop it. Look at put it back in. Come. Sully, your turn.
So when is it my turn? Oh, that's nice.
Come You're not.
Oh, it's not your turn.
Come on.
Wait,
He's already
no, he's already had a turn.
Melissa.
Oh, has it Melissa going that?
Yeah, she's like.
No, don't
No,
wait.
this is going to put back in it.
Oh, it's almost finished.
Don't laugh, eh? No, please. Oh, no. To finish it.
You can finish it, but
Not very much, it's probably about half a litre.
Maar wil meer vuil is als het al.
finish it.
Finish it. Hard ball. You're soft. I see your ball pitch.
Nee, you're soft.
Who's off?
Can I hold that in?
No, you can't.
You have to keep lifting it. Finish it.
More.
Ah.
What? You have to drink it all, or
Eva. Sam? What's in there?
Hurry up, Bar.
Oh, no way.
Can't help it.
You might as well not turn 21.
Put him in.
Let her hold it. See? What's wrong with her holding it?
You, that's what.
But you have to
Try and finish it in one go.
Yeah. See you at the bottom. I'll see you in half an hour after break.
Cheers to the freaking week.
My birthday.
Can't do it.
You can do it, but anything is possible.
Yeah.
one's another.
Your last go.
Hey, you know what we should do? Coca-Cola bottle.
Hurry.
Suck that in, Matt. Suck that in.
Oh, frick. Whoa.
At least finish all that. Yeah, now bin.
Good thinking.
Shut up. I'm gonna break it. Yo. Is there another sip? Bring it around there if you want it. Huh?
We're all waiting for you.
Sip in.
She broke mine too. Oh look, Anne's gonna do it now. Okay.
Try and finish it. It's your birthday.
Oh, we're back in!
Ow! Yuck. Yeah, nobody wants it.
Oh.
I'm trying, man. That's long, frick.
It's long.
Open up back.
No much.
Everybody just sit down.